Out of respect for this company, I will not go into any detailed discussions. I will not show any close-ups of the machinery running or the processes. I'm going to keep the name disclosed and the location disclosed. So that being said, I mean, the video is supposed to be for entertainment value anyhow. So take it as it is. Thank you. Enjoy. Staying in Dry County. Are you? Huh. Well, that's good. I bet next door has got plenty. I'm sure Glenn Dales are on a county line. Now, Joni, all this stuff's air dried, ain't it?
Yeah, it's air dried. But then it goes into a kiln.
Yeah, after it's the barrel.
No, before it's the barrel. That's what the guy told me. They're still going to put it in the kiln. They're going to air dry it, put it in the kiln, take it out of the kiln, build the barrel.
Okay. If you liked the video, make sure and leave a thumbs up or comment. Thank you for watching.